Dear students of class 11, welcome again. This is the video regarding the message or instructions for the online classes. Boys, I am very pleased to inform you that from today, just a few minutes ago, the school has started live classes, live online classes for all the sections of class 11. Now, if the live classes are going on, you must follow some of the instructions what I am telling you. First, the problem is regarding the admittance of the students. Suppose class starts at 8:15 a.m. You will be given the link at 8:10, 8:05, and within 10 minutes, all of you have to join the group. There is a certain period of time that will be given to you for the admittance in the group. Thereafter, not a single student will be allowed to join the class. Remember this. This is the first point. Second point is, be very careful, be regular, and please write down everything. Write down whatever is taught to you. Make the separate notebooks, make the separate copies of every subject. Write down the name of the teacher, write down the date, write down the name of the topic, and all these things will be monitored. All these things will be checked when the regular classes start at school. These things are very essential. And next point is very important one. Your attendance is compulsory. Your attendance is compulsory in every class. And if you are not regular, if you are not serious, even in the online class, it will affect your performance in the future. It may affect your performance adversely. So, please be regular and be very serious and behave properly even in the online classes. Then I want to tell you that regular classes will be taken. For example, for today's schedule, there are 2 classes for every section. Tomorrow also there will be 2 classes for every section, but gradually we will increase the number of classes. And we will maintain the time, we will maintain the routine, we will maintain the schedule. So you also should be very careful regarding these things. From 7:30 a.m. Later on, we will start our classes at 7:30 a.m. And generally, there will be 4 classes every day. So mentally and physically as well, you will have to be prepared for 4 classes every day from 7:30 to 10:30 to 10:45 a.m. You must be properly dressed. You should not leave the classes in between the teachings. Just suppose that, or keep in your mind that you are in the school. You are in the school. Tell the other members of your family that your class is going on. So please don't shout, don't talk loudly, and don't disturb us. So these are some of the essential things. And from time to time, dear students, you know it's my duty. From time to time, you will be sent different kinds of instructions, and I expect that all of you will follow these instructions properly. So I hope you will cooperate. All these things are for your advantage. We are leaving no stone unturned to give our best to our dear students. So please be regular, be serious, be disciplined, and I hope you will be benefited by these things. So boys, thank you.